Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make fan-made Pokémon. First, we'll cover the essential steps to bring your unique creatures to life, from initial concept to final design. We'll explore how to develop compelling ideas and translate them into a visual style that fits the beloved Pokémon universe. Get ready to unleash your creativity and design your very own pocket monsters. Starting with a strong concept is crucial. Think about what makes your Pokémon special, like its elemental type, unique abilities, or even its personality. Develop a backstory and imagine its natural habitat. Begin with simple sketches to visualize your ideas, ensuring they align with the established Pokémon art style and charm. This foundation will guide your entire creation process. Now it's time to bring your concept to life visually. Choose your preferred art medium, whether it's digital software or traditional drawing tools. Transform your rough sketches into clean, detailed line art. Carefully select a color palette and apply consistent shading to give your Pokémon depth. Experiment with various poses and expressions to showcase its personality and abilities. Once your fan-made Pokémon is complete, share it with the world. Post your creations on fan art websites and social media to connect with other enthusiasts. Engage in discussions, receive feedback, and learn from the community. For an extra touch, consider writing a full Pokédex entry detailing your Pokémon's height, weight, and unique characteristics. Enjoy seeing your creations appreciated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.